Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use OBS virtual camera on Ometv. You can see I have blurred the recording from my laptop camera. So let's start. Minimize your screen and download and install OBS Studios, and then download the zip file called OBS Videos Fixed Files. Once all of this is done, right click on your file and extract it. Now open the extracted folder, and now you can see the register files that have the registered keys for OBS camera. Let's launch the first one, yes, and then OK. Now the second one, yes, and then OK. After all of this is done, go to your web browser and click on Settings. And in the search bar, search for Camera. Click on the highlighted site settings and click on Camera. And now there should be a new option called HD Webcam, or there should be a new option called OBS Virtual Camera. Click on it. This option will show up, and if you have OBS installed and if you have the registered keys launched, you should have this new option, and click on it and close the browser. Open OBS, and for now I'm just going to use a media source. Click on an image and you can just use your regular video and click on loop video and OK. After everything is done, start the virtual camera. If you followed all the steps correctly, you should be able to use your virtual camera on Ometv. And that's it, folks. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.